Hello, let's talk about something most people overlook when building a business, growing a brand, or creating impact: your energy. We live in a world that's obsessed with strategy. What to post, what niche to pick, what funnel converts best, and how to beat the algorithm. And don't get me wrong, strategy is useful. It has its place. But here is what I've learned after years of supporting powerful, spiritual, high achievers. The best strategy in the world won't work if your energy is off. Your energy is your first strategy. Always. Because when your energy is scattered, forced, or disconnected, people can feel it. Your audience can sense it. You are speaking, but they are not hearing. You are creating, but it's not landing. But when your energy is clean, aligned, and embodied, you become magnetic. Your presence alone transmits clarity, confidence, and connection. So, let's unpack why this matters more than ever, and how to make your energy your most powerful strategy moving forward. Strategy without energy is empty. Have you ever poured your heart into a post, a launch, or a new offer, and it just flopped? You did everything right. You followed the formula. You even posted at the perfect time. But something felt off. And the response showed it. Then there is the other side. The time you share something raw and true, no polish, no perfection, and the people flooded your inbox saying, "Wow, I needed this." That is not coincidence. That is energy. It is not about how many times you show up. It is about who you are when you show up. Energy transmits louder than words. And in a world full of noise, people don't want more tactics. They want truth. They want to feel something. Your energy is that feeling. How to check your energy before you create. Before you hit record, go live, or write that post, pause. Ask yourself, am I creating from inspiration or obligation? Do I feel expanded or contracted right now? Is this coming from proving or from presence? Because content created from proving usually falls flat. But content born from presence, even if it's imperfect, carries soul. If your energy isn't clean, it's okay. Don't force it, don't mask it. Breathe, reset, realign. You are not behind. You're just being invited to lead differently. The new growth model? Here is the truth. Hustle isn't sustainable. Strategy without sales burns out. And alignment creates results that last. The old model, hustle, force equals exhaustion. The new model, energy, alignment, resonance equals results. This is how we build now. Your presence creates permission. Your clarity creates attraction. Your rest creates power. When you are rooted in truth, people trust you. They don't need convincing. They feel the integrity. And when they feel it, they move towards you. Energetic tune-up practices. Here are a few daily habits to help you tune your energy before taking action. Number 1, grounded mornings. No phones for the first 30 minutes of your day. Instead, stretch, breathe or journal. Ask yourself, what energy do I choose to bring into today? Number 2, pre-post energy. Check in. Before creating anything, place your hand on your heart and take 3 slow breaths. Ask yourself, what do I want this to feel like? Then create from that energy. Number 3, end of the day reset. At night, reflect. Where did I create from fullness? Where did I create from fear? No judgment, just awareness. That is where alignment grows. These small practices keep you connected to your truth. And your truth, that is your strongest brand. What happens when energy leads? When you prioritize energy over effort, everything changes. Your business feels like an extension of your soul. Your audience begin to respond more deeply, even if your numbers don't explode overnight. You stop chasing clients. You start inviting the right ones. You release urgency and embody trust. And most importantly, you enjoy the process again. No more pressure to do it all. No more burning out for attention. No more comparing your pace to someone else's energy. When your energy leads, you reclaim sovereignty. And that's when business becomes beautiful. You are the strategy. Let's go deeper. You are not the algorithm. You are not the launch numbers. You are not your followers count. You are the message. You are the medicine. You are the transmission. You are the strategy. When your energy is aligned, your content lands. Your presence speaks. Your brand becomes unmistakable. People don't buy information, they buy transformation. And transformation is energetic. So be the transformation you wish to lead. Speak from depth. Create from stillness. Let your being speak louder than your doing. If you have been trying to figure it out, feeling stuck, pause. Ask yourself, what if I stop forcing and start aligning? What if strategy wasn't something to build, but something to embody? If that resonates with you, I invite you to explore the energetic restoration journey. It is where we stop chasing tactics and start becoming. Because when your energy leads, your strategy unfolds naturally. You don't have to push, you just have to align. Thank you for watching Unparalleled Lifestyle. Until next time, lead with energy, serve from soul, and many blessings wherever you are in the world.